12 months ago, I was working in the fast food industry. Today, I have a six-figure job in coding. I was able to do it so fast because I learned under what is called an apprenticeship degree by DevSlopes. Most coding boot camps only teach you how to code. They don't prepare you how to become a professional coder. So when you finish, if you do, you are a mediocre coder with no experience. I was never going to get a job that way. An apprenticeship, on the other hand, showed me how to do two things. Number one, I learned to code in a way that people can understand it. When working at a large employer, you will need to work with large teams. You will need to code in a very specific way. Number two, it helped me get experience before ever applying for a job. Employers want to see your work. My mentor at DevSlopes showed me how to get freelancing jobs just 12 weeks after joining. Not only was I learning how to code and getting experience, but I was getting paid to do it. I earned while I learned. All this allowed me to get a six-figure coding job while most of my peers were still in their second coding boot camp. If you want to learn about how an apprenticeship degree by DevSlopes can get you a six-figure coding job, click the link below.